Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the Tunisian crochet half double stitch. The Tunisian half double crochet stitch is going to be very similar to the simple stitch, but we've got a few extra things to add to the stitch, being we have some yarn overs, and then also our return pass is going to be a little bit different, and so are our setup rows. So if you would like to pause this video and chain up as many as you would like for the stitch, please feel free to do that. I have already got my chains worked up, which I have just done 10. So the foundation, let me get my yarn straight. The foundation of this stitch, as always, this loop that is going to be on our hook is going to be our very first stitch. Now, to set up the Tunisian half double crochet, we are going to start off with a yarn over, and then we are going to go into that very second chain, and we are going to go ahead and draw up a loop. Now with the simple stitch, we don't yarn over, but with the half double crochet to set up, we are yarning over. So go ahead and yarn over again, and then go into that next chain and go ahead and draw up a loop. You can continue doing this until you have reached the end, and you should have about double the size of stitches on your hook, where I have done 10 stitches, and that one counts as a stitch. I should have 19 stitches on my hook once I have gotten this completed. Once you have reached your final stitch, again, you will go ahead and yarn over and go into that stitch and draw up a loop. So that is our forward pass. Now for our return pass, which is going to be same throughout, we are going to do a chain one. So go ahead and yarn over and pull through one. And now what differs between the simple stitch and the Tunisian half double crochet stitch, for our return pass, we are going to pull through 3 loops instead of 2. So go ahead and pull through 3 loops until you have reached the end of your return pass, and then I will meet you back around. And now for our very first row. Again, this stitch is always going to count as 1, so we're going to pretty much skip these loops right here, and we are going to go into that very first stitch. Now you see that there is 2 bars right here that looks like an upside down V. We are going to first yarn over, and we are going to go through both of those loops. Sometimes that very first one is a little hard to see. And then once you have gotten through both of those vertical bars, we are going to draw up a loop. So again, we are going to yarn over. We're going to go to the next stitch and go into those 2 vertical bars. I have gotten both of those vertical bars, and just go ahead and draw up a loop. So we are going to continue that for the rest of this row, and I will meet you for the return pass. For that very last stitch, go ahead and yarn over, and we are going to go into that last V stitch, which is right at the end. We're going to go through both of those bars, and we are going to draw up a loop. Now for the return pass, again, we are going to chain 1, so yarn over and pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through 3. So that is our return pass. So continue pulling through 3 until you have reached the end. And you will continue that forward pass and return pass that we just completed until your desired length, and then you will go ahead and bind off without the yarn overs. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe, and this should be your end result. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.